Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get real estate templates in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the real estate category and how to add a ready-made board to your workspace so you can get working right away. Start by opening your Monday.com account and heading to your home view. This is your central hub, and it's the easiest place to create something new in the right workspace. Take a quick look at the left side of the screen where your workspaces and folders live. That's where we'll begin. Next, look for the small plus icon associated with your current workspace. Depending on your layout, you might see it near the workspace name or in the top bar. This plus icon is your shortcut to adding new items like boards, docs, and dashboards. Click that plus icon to open the creation menu. You'll see several options pop up. Since we want a structured board that's already tailored for real estate work, we're going to aim for the board option. Hover your mouse over the board option to reveal more choices. You should see something like Start with Template. This is the quickest way to jump straight into a professionally built setup without configuring everything from scratch. Click Start with Template. This opens the Template Center, where Monday.com groups templates by use case and industry. On the left-hand panel, you'll notice categories to help narrow down your search. Look for the real estate category in that left panel. If you don't see it immediately, slowly scroll the list. Many accounts show it under general or industry-related sections. You can also use the search bar at the top to type real estate to surface matching templates faster. Click real estate to filter the gallery. You'll now see a set of templates designed specifically for things like property pipelines, listings, transactions, and client management. Choose the real estate template that best fits your needs by clicking it. A preview will open showing a description, example groups and columns, and sometimes screenshots so you can confirm it matches your workflow. Finally, click Use Template. Monday.com will add the board to your selected workspace. If prompted, confirm the destination workspace and any initial settings, then let the system finish creating the board. Once it loads, your real estate board is ready to go with pre-built groups, columns, and views you can start using immediately. That's it. You've located the real estate category, picked the right template, and added it to your workspace, all from within Monday.com's Template Center.